Get ready. Next, home workout challenge.
Welcome to this intense abs challenge. We'll go through crunches, Russian twists, and mountain climbers, each for 40-second and 10-second rest in between. Can you handle it? Set a timer and push yourself to the limit. Ready? Let's get those abs burning and make every second count.
Home workout challenge. Set 1 of 5.
Get ready to fight, we never give up, no. Been waiting so long, together we're stronger than ever before.
ನವವೀರಲ್ಲ ತಲೆಬಾಗ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಸೇರಿ ನಾವು ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ಹೋರಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಸೋಲಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ ಎದೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ ನಿಲ್ತೀವಿ ಇದು ರೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ನಮ್ಮೆದುರಿಗೆ ನಿಂತರೆ
Rest. Home workout challenge. Set 2 of 5.
Just close your eyes, lose track of the others. Burning desire can't beat the fire. We are who we are. We'll give them a night to remember. Yeah. Count all of the
Rest.
stars that shining for us. We are who we are.
गिरेंगे नहीं झुकेंगे नहीं चलो अब हम खेलेंगे साथ मिलकर
Home workout challenge. Set 3 of 5.
हारेंगे नहीं डरेंगे नहीं सपना अब है बस एक साथ मिलकर रात भर हम लड़ेंगे जान से
Cause now it's game on, oh yeah, yeah. They're never gonna break us down. If it all comes crashing down tonight, I'll meet you on the other side. Cause now it's game on, oh yeah, yeah. They're never gonna take our crown. If it all comes crashing down tonight, my team's already by my side.
Rest. Home workout challenge. Set 4 of 5.
Today's the day, prepare for the challenge. Been waiting so long, together we're stronger, aim for the goal. Get ready to fight, we never give up, no. Been waiting so long, together
Rest.
we're stronger than ever before.
ನವವೀರಲ್ಲ ತಲೆಬಾಗ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಸೇರಿ ನಾವು
Home workout challenge. Set 5 of 5.
ಹಿಂದೆ ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ ಎದೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ ನಿಲ್ತೀವಿ ಇದು ರೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ನಮ್ಮೆದುರಿಗೆ ನಿಂತರೆ
Cause now it's game on, oh yeah, yeah. They're never gonna break us down. If it all goes crashing down tonight, I'll meet you on the other side. Cause now it's game on, oh yeah, yeah. They're never gonna take our crown. If it all goes crashing down tonight, my team's already by my side.
Timer finished.